A positive point charge with velocity v of magnitude 5 in direction x enters a region having electrical field of magnitude 4 in the direction of y and a magnetic field of 6 in the direction of minus z. Which one of the following statements is correct? So, first of all, the electric field and the magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. One is in the direction of y and one is the direction of minus z. A point of charge that is moving through a magnetic field has a force that is perpendicular to both the speed and the magnetic field, according to the right-hand rule. And regardless of movement, a charge that is inside an electric field is subject to a force in the direction of that electric field. In this case, direction of the electric field is y. So let's take a look at the first statement, and we have x is the direction of the velocity, minus z is the direction of the magnetic field. The right-hand rule, we have the fingers pointing the direction of the magnetic field. We have the thumb pointing the direction of the velocity. The force will be the direction, that is where the palm of the hand is facing, in this case, the y-axis. So we have two forces that are both in the y direction. So the total force is along the y-axis. Is it along the magnetic field? No, magnetic field is in the minus z direction. Is it perpendicular to the electric and magnetic field? No, it is in the same direction of the electric field. Is it true that the magnetic field does not exert any force on the charge? No, it does exert a force in the direction of y. So we are left with B. The force will be along the electric field, but perpendicular to the magnetic field. Yes, the electric field is in the y direction. The magnetic field is perpendicular to it.